Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm sharing a healthy strawberry oatmeal breakfast smoothie for weight loss. It's a filling breakfast smoothie perfect for a guilt-free Valentine's Day treat. So let's get started with the recipe. I have about 15 strawberries and I used a straw to hull the berries. All you have to do is poke them with a straw and push the straw up and the stem just pops right up. So easy. And once all the strawberries are pitted, I sliced them into half and kept them aside. First, let's lightly roast 2 to 3 tablespoons of rolled oats on a pan. And once the oats are lightly roasted and light golden brown in color, transfer the oats to another plate and keep it aside. Now let's make some fresh almond milk. If you have watched my almond milk recipe, then you may have noticed that I used my high-speed 1300 watt blender to make quick almond milk recipe. But today I'm using my 900 watt blender just to show you the difference. So into my blender I'm adding in 15 soaked and peeled almonds. To know why you need to soak and then peel the almonds, please check my almond milk recipe. Links will be updated below this video. Add in 1 cup water and blend on high speed for about a minute. Now I'm just pouring the blended almond milk to a cup just to show you. And can you see the small chunks of almonds? The almonds was not ground the way it did in my 1300 watt high speed blender, which I used to make my almond milk recipe. So if you use a low speed blender, the almonds won't be ground or blend well nicely. There may be small tiny chunks of almonds, so you may need to blend it longer time. Now into the almond milk add in the lightly roasted oats, the pitted strawberries. You can add in 1 tablespoon honey as a sweetener at this stage, but I'll be adding it later. Now blend on high speed for about a minute or until everything is nicely blended. Now pour the blended smoothie into a serving glass and drizzle 1 teaspoon honey. And again pour some more blended smoothie and drizzle some more honey, and also spread some honey on the sides of the glass and pour the rest of the blended smoothie into the glass. Sprinkle half teaspoon toasted oats on top, half teaspoon cacao nibs, half teaspoon chia seeds for that extra omega-3s, strawberry slices and a drizzle of honey. My healthy, guilt-free strawberry oatmeal breakfast smoothie is ready to serve. So guys, enjoy this filling breakfast smoothie on Valentine's Day and let me know how this turned out. If you like this video, make sure you give a big thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and also the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you can stay updated when I post new videos. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.